Do you want to make the same intro as you seen? So follow me. Open your Google Play Store and search for the app Legend and install it. Legend Text Animator and Maker. Install the app and click on Open. After installing, allow the permissions. After that, click on Start and enter your custom name. Delete the name which is already been there and enter your custom name and click on tick mark. After that, click on play button. As you can see, there are so many options, there are so many colors and there are so many texts. You can choose your any color or any text. You can do it in 5 minutes. You can also do it in landscape mode or square mode. You can also decrease or increase the quality of the video. And you can also save the project clicking on the save button at the top right side. And after that, you can also share the video to your friends.